Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this latest song Tareefan inspired makeup tutorial. If you have seen the video, you must have noticed that all actresses have this deep berry plumish magenta lips with golden or olive golden smoky eyes. So I tried recreating that. So starting with priming my eyes, for that I'm using Maybelline concealer and I'm going to spread it evenly over my eyelid. Detail of every product and price is mentioned in description bar below, and then I'm going to go ahead and set everything with a pressed powder. Next, I will be taking this Nicka K palette. This is the 23 Perfect palette, and I'm going to take these brown shade and develop my crease line. And then I'm going to take a black shade and put it on the outer corners of my eyes and then blend it again with a fluffy brush. I'm doing this to get a nice smoky effect. And then I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution palette and take this olive golden eyeshadow and pat it on rest of my eyelid. I'm going to wet my brush with a Colorbar mist so that I get a nice and good color payoff. And I'm going to repeat this step again. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush again and blend everything so that my eye makeup looks smooth and seamless. Next I will be drawing a winged eyeliner. After completing with winged eyeliner, I will be filling my eyebrows. The products that I have used, I have mentioned in description bar below, so please don't forget to check that out as well. And then to set my eyebrows, I will be using this Maybelline pomade, and then I'm going to move ahead with my concealer. For concealer, I'm using LA Pro concealer, and then I'm going to move ahead with my foundation. For foundation, I'm using MAC Mineralise Foundation. And now for setting everything, I will be using L'Oreal Matte Magique All-in-One Pressed Powder. It is the same powder that I use to set my eyelids as well. My next step will be bronzing, and for that I will be using Oriflame Very Me Bronzer. And then I'll move ahead and apply blush on my cheeks. Next, I will be taking that same black color and apply it on the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line. And then I will be applying generous amount of kajal. To complete my eye look, I will be taking that highlighting eyeshadow and highlight the inner corners of my eyes as well as my brow bone. And then I'm going to move ahead and apply Odbo Highlighter on the high points of my face. That is on my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, my chin, my cupid's bow and the sides of my forehead. Next, to complete the look, I will be taking this MAC lipstick all fired up, and then I'm going to mix it with the Flat Out Fabulous, that is again from MAC, and mix these two shades to get that magenta-ish color. And guys, we have come to the end of the video. This is the finished and the complete look. I have popped on some fake eyelashes. I hope you liked this video. If you liked, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video and please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.